Hi there everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video guys, we will learn what is Shopify is all about. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you're new to my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. What is Shopify? Shopify is a comprehensive e-commerce platform with millions of merchants using it to run their online stores, to run their businesses, to run their blogs. Shopify automates dozens of jobs for you so you can run an online store with a little effort as possible. Okay guys, so this is the end of my report on what is Shopify is all about. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys if you're new by clicking the subscribe button. See you on the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.